Today we are here to observe the Kanyashri Day. What is Kanyashri Day? This is the birthday of Kanyashri Prakalpa, which is one of the most significant programs taken up by our government. So why was this taken up? What is the significance? Why did it all happen? We already had schemes for children, for girls, for all other sections of the society. But yes, it still was needed that we do something more for the girl children of our society. It is not only about figures, not only about how many children we benefit per day. It's not the statistics. It is not how much expenditure we incur annually for this prakalpa. It is not at all that. That is only a scale to measure how we are doing in this thing. So, what is the main thing that is needed? That was already covered in the pledge. The pledge was that we will complete our entire stretch of Kanyashri scheme. That means each and every girl child should study, should try to improve herself and the surroundings around, at least till she attains the age of 18. And none of us, our girl child, should be married off before 18. It doesn't mean that as soon as she steps into 19, she'll be married off. It doesn't mean that. So what should we try? Apart from this Kanyashri scheme, we will see that this scheme is already, this is already tied up with many other schemes. We have the ICDS Prakalpa in place. We have SAG-KP. I mean, the scheme where Kanyashri girls are utilized, their services are utilized for the betterment of the neighborhood or the surroundings in which they live. So Kanyashri, now we have the Duare Sarkar Prakalpo, where we are thinking of utilizing the service of our K2 girls who will be helping the people who are coming to the camps to fill up their applications. So our girls are strengthened now. They can help themselves, they can help others. This is what the aim of the program is. So we all should strive together to achieve our target, whatever we are placing each and every year, so that if we, by achieving the target, we mean that we are not letting the girls to be married away before the age of 18. Like that, we can we can strengthen ourselves in that way. Now the SAG-KP girls are able to strengthen themselves. They will help ICDS workers, they will help the children around. In this way we proceed. So I won't take much time. Let us talk less and work more. We should not have K2 girls lost. Still we have more than 50 K2 girls lost who are not being paid because they are not being traced. We cannot trace them. What is happening to them? That is the responsibility of each of the girls here, each of the institution who are sponsoring the names. Teachers also have to remember that this is their duty. I know I shouldn't be reminding teachers of their duty, but of course it is all our duty to trace each and every girl. None should get lost after the age of 18. Before the age of 18, we are not being able to pay because we are not being able to trace them. So let us try a bit more. We have improved a lot, but lots remain to be achieved.
शबलाई नमस्कार। जब उनका ये जो गर्ल चाइल्ड को तब से हम 18 ईयर तक हम उनका स्कॉलरशिप दे रहे हैं, and also when she is completing, the student is completing 18, then we are giving a kind of one time grant. It is now 25,000. The annual grant is 1,000 rupees. It is not much, but it's a kind of incentive which the government gives so that the girl child can continue their study. And also why the K2 is more, 25,000, so that the girl child can continue their study further. and also she can make herself employable and self-reliant. Employment means not only any job, uh, private job or government job, it is also self-employment. So the whole concept and the aim of Kanyashri is to make sure that all the women in the society are become self-employed and self-reliant, so that the society will become equal. So that is the ultimate aim of the scheme. So far we have successfully implementing the scheme in our district. Last year also we have provided 38,633 K1 benefit to the students, and the K2 benefit we have given 8,577. This year also the scheme is running. We are implementing with your all cooperation and help. This year also we have covered around 30,000 girls in K1 and around 8,746 girls in K2. Hopefully we will cover the rest of the students in our Dware Sarkar program. As we all know, government, just like previous year, we are going to announce the Dware Sarkar program already. It is starting from August 16th. It will go on up to September 15th. Camps will be held in every GP and almost every ward. So in that camps, Kanyashri forms will also be accepted. So it will be disposed within the camp period itself. So I will request all the schools present here to use that opportunity to complete their enrollment. And on this auspicious day, my heartiest congratulations and wishes to the schools who are getting the honors, schools and colleges today, जो जिसका अवार्ड मिलेगा उनका बहुत बहुत बधाई, because you have shown interest to give this benefit to the students. So I am also thanking other schools. It is a combined effort of all the schools. We have achieved this target. So today we are felicitating 3 best colleges and 3 best schools and 3 best students. So congratulations to all of them, and my only request and wish is, please continue further. Study is only first step. There are still lot to go. Ultimate aim is to make yourself self-employable or self-reliant. That is the ultimate goal. So all the students present here, my request is to complete your studies and go for any employment. Congratulations again. Thank you.
So now I call upon St. Joseph's College, who's awarded first for implementing Kanyashri Prakalpa for the academic year 20 and 21. Father, please come. Could you please give me the round of applause? Yeah, the trophies and the sapling. Congratulations again, St. Joseph's College. And, the second college which we have is Kershon College. Do we have any representative from college? Please round of applause. Kershon College includes second round of applause for Kershon College. District Bali second round of applause. We have this happening as well. Congratulations, College. Southfield College. So, I request Madam Medium to please kindly give away the prizes. Southfield College had stood third in the district. We We have the certificate, we have the trophy and the sapling. Southfield College लाई पनि धेरै धेरै बधाई छ. Second round. The best school district पनि best school लाई felicitate गर्दाखेरि first आउनु भएको छ Merik Higher Secondary School. Please come on stage. May I call sir to please give away the certificates and trophies. Merik Higher Secondary School. District marks up on the first on the way. Academic session 2020-2021. So we have the trophies as well as the saplings. Thank you, sir. Second, we have Don Bosco Merik again. Second, who has come second in the district. Don Bosco Merik. ATL Madam को बट प्राप्त गर्नुहुँदैछ certificate, trophies र sapling. Congratulations, Don Bosco Merik लाई पनि. धेरै धेरै बधाई छ. सबैले ताली बजाइदिनुहोस् सेकेन्ड हाफको लागि. Thank you. Third, our school best school third आउनु भएको छ चुङथुङ हायर सेकेन्डरी स्कुल दार्जिलिङमा थर्ड. Request ADM Madam to give away the certificate, the trophy as well as the congratulations to Chungtung High Secondary School. Congratulations sir. यो स्कुल र कलेजेस सकेपछि हाम्रोमा एकदमै आउटस्ट्यान्डिङ परफर्मेन्स गरेको छ. 3 जना सिलेक्ट भएको छ है नानीहरू हाम्रै डिस्ट्रिक्टबाट. उहाँलाई चाहिँ सर्टिफिकेट ट्रोफिज र हामी चेक पनि प्रोभाइड गर्दैछ 5000 इच. सो दामी चेक पनि छ. So first we have, I'll give a short brief about Nisham Thapa hununcha. She is from Tista Valley High School. Please come up, Nisham. She stood in the appreciated of critical observation, scientific thinking and presentation of the project. She has presented a project named tea consumption and its benefits. She was selected from the block level, subdivision level, and she represented the district in the state. अलिकति जोड बजाइदिनु होला है पानी. तातो दामी ट्र्याक है अन्त उसलाई ट्रोफी पनि छ. Congratulations Nisham. She is from Shantirani Higher Secondary School. Here, please come up. Art and culture ma'am. She has Shaina, a student of Shantirani High School, is one of the members of. She is also a member of Kanya Shri. She has been receiving Kanya Shri, and she is not only an outstanding student in the field of academics, but an active participant in the socio-cultural activities. She was one of the participants in the play, a project of Lok Prasar Prapalpa under the Department of Information and Cultural Affairs, Government of West Bengal. The play entitled Pashtata, written by Sri Ashok Karki, was an anti-trafficking effort. It was to build up and transmit awareness against human trafficking. To the people, human trafficking, otherwise known as modern-day slavery, is an evil to the society. The play was a good medium to mobilize the mass to combat human trafficking. The play was staged in 4 different schools, namely Shantirani High Secondary School, Holy Cross Secondary Secondary School, Dhodria High School, and Ragbur High School. Congratulations, and may you participate more in future. So I request AJ Madam to please give away her certificate, a trophy, her dummy check of 5,000 rupees, and a sapling. Congratulations. Raksha Pradhan of High Secondary School, Darjeeling. Raksha Pradhan participated in 10 kilometers run conducted by the second edition of the Buddha Trials 2021. set in the forest of Santapur region near Darjeeling on the 3rd April 2021, and she has stood second. Second आउनु भएको रहेछ है सन्तपुरमा, अलिक ताली बजाइदिनुहोस् है. Congratulations. May I request OC madam to kindly give away the certificate, trophies and a dummy check of 5,000 rupees. ताली अलिक दिनुपर्छ है. Congratulations to the school as well, St. Teresa's High Secondary School.
8th Kanyashri Day today in Darjeeling, and also Siliguri subdivision में subdivision level में एक हो रहा है. So ये दोनों जगह 3 school, 3 best performing schools and the Kanyashri scheme, and our 3 colleges, 3 best performing colleges, and 3 students जो कोई field में अच्छा काम किया apart from academics, उसको हम उन लोग का आज हम फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हैं. So we are giving trophy and medal and sapling, and also the best जो students को 5,000 rupees. Apart from that, यहाँ से नेताजी girls high school ना Shireng, नेताजी girls high school has been selected at Siliguri. That school has been selected in the state level as one of the best performing schools. So उनका state level में आज felicitation होगा. So in this, so इसका यही है, हम जो हर बार भी perform best in कन्याश्री scheme, इस साल भी हम अच्छा coverage कर दिया. जो target था उसका almost we have covered. K1 में we have covered almost 80%. And K2 में almost 90% we have covered this year. Rest of it we will cover during our द्वारे सरकार program.
सर कोई मैसेज है सर?
मैसेज यही है, ये स्कीम का यही में ये गर्ल्स स्टूडेंट जितना भी है उनका पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा. कंटिन्यू करने के बाद भी कॉलेज भी जाना पड़ेगा. कॉलेज जाने के बाद भी उनका कोई नौकरी अदरवाइज उनका कुछ सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट में भी उनका ये करना पड़ेगा. यही है ये स्कीम का एम, टू मेक द गर्ल्स टू कंटिन्यू देयर स्टडी टिल दे अटेन 18 एंड आल्सो फर्दर. ठीक है, ये इसको यही रिक्वेस्ट है टू ऑल द स्कूल्स एंड पेरेंट्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो टू कंटिन्यू. जो इसका स्कीम का जो यही एम समझ के they should continue their study. Yeah, thank you.